Why is Zelensky warning Belarus after Ukraine hit a Siberian oil refinery? Because Kyiv is now striking deeper into Russia, and Zelensky is telling Belarus it could face force if it keeps ignoring pressure over war-linked sites and factories. Volodymyr Zelenskiy confirmed that Ukrainian drones hit the Tyumen region refinery, a target far beyond the front line. The distance matters because it shows Ukraine can reach deep into Russian territory, not just border regions. The attack is part of a wider pattern of pressure on Russian energy infrastructure, and it is landing while the war nears the 4.5-year mark. On Friday, Zelensky did not spell out every target, but he made the threat plain. He warned Belarus that Kyiv would dismantle 4 known stations by force if Minsk does not act first. He also pointed to Belarusian factories that are supporting Russia's war effort. That turns the message from a general threat into a specific warning aimed at infrastructure inside Belarus. The strike in Siberia and the warning to Belarus hit 2 separate pressure points at once. Russia faces another attack on an oil refinery, while Belarus is being told its own infrastructure could be next. That is why the story is spreading fast. It connects battlefield tactics, energy targets, and a wider regional threat. The next move depends on whether Belarus responds or whether Kyiv acts on the warning. The war is not slowing down around the edges. In Sumy, several buildings were damaged after a fresh Russian attack, and Serhii Kryvosheienko, head of the Sumy City Military Administration, said 8 people were injured in the overnight strikes. That matters because it shows the long-range drone strike is happening alongside continuing direct attacks on Ukrainian cities. The conflict is widening in reach, not narrowing. The immediate question is whether Belarus changes course or becomes the next pressure point. Ukraine has already proven it can strike a refinery more than 2,000 km away, and Zelensky has now tied that reach to a direct warning. If Minsk does not move, he says Kyiv will. What to watch now is simple: whether Belarus reacts to Zelensky's warning, and whether Ukraine follows through on the threat. After a refinery strike deep in Siberia and fresh damage in Sumy, the war is pushing into new territory on both sides.